During these times of COVID-19 pandemic, the million-dollar question is when this corona crisis will end. This crisis can end only if the chain of transmission from person to person is broken. How to break this chain? There are three ways. First is test the whole population and isolate the corona positive people. But many countries like India have a very large population, so this approach is not practical. Second is people strictly follow the COVID-19 prevention guidelines. Maintaining physical distance, wearing a mask in public places, frequently washing hands with soap and water, and if hand washing is not possible, then using a sanitizer. But most of the people tend to be careless and don't follow these guidelines. The last option is a vaccine. If whole population is vaccinated against COVID-19, the chain of transmission will break and corona will end. When the vaccine for corona is expected to be launched? Work is on day and night in many countries to find a vaccine for COVID-19. Our past experience tells us that it takes more than a year to launch a vaccine. Research, preclinical trial, clinical trial, approval, license, mass production and launch are the various stages in developing a vaccine. Vaccine being developed by Oxford scientists has already gone through phase 1 trial. In India, clinical trials have begun for two vaccines, Covaxin and Zycov-D. If everything goes right, we can expect one of the vaccines to be launched by February or March next year. Some people believe that vaccine for COVID-19 will be launched in 2020 itself. Whenever the vaccine is launched, COVID-19 will cease to exist. If it doesn't happen in 2020, it will certainly happen in 2021. Ultimately, the corona will die.